Hey, what's up, guys? I just got my final thing of computer parts in. This is not including the rest of the water cooling stuff, just the rest of the computer parts themselves. Got the 460 in yesterday. I posted that up on the Real Red Raider forums. I'll show you guys that later on in the build. But right now, this is the rest of the stuff I got, so you're gonna kind of get to see what it is. So I'm gonna open this up right now. Okay. Kind of hard cutting something with like my left hand because I'm a righty, so yeah, right there. Okay. I really am pissed off about how the UPS treats their packages. It's pretty not good. So right, I'm just gonna look it up. Open this up. Okay, well I can tell right now this does not come from California because they don't use paper like Tiger Dark does, and they don't smush your packing list. Yeah, and their invoice list looks different. Okay, so get rid of that. That. Oh my god, this is never ending. Okay, so 3 of the UV green Pevia fans, UV green color. So we got 3 of those. Okay, 8-pin extension cable. 6-pin extension, another 6-pin, 12. I think they're 12 inches. Right here I got my 9850 Black Edition CPU. Hopefully the pins are not bent. Hopefully. Let's see. Looks pretty good. Be careful with that. Okay. Right here we got one sound reactive UV cathode. These are apparently a lot brighter than those kits that come by twos. The Logisys dual cathode kits. So I got 2 of these bad boys. They're about 15 inches long each. So here's the other one. Right here, this is what came with, it was one of those little things that comes with my memory down there. An OCZ Diesel 4 gig flash drive, so that was kind of convenient. Probably need that for school, because I don't have one. 4 gigs of DDR2 1066, CAS latency of 5.555, timings at 2.1 volts, and they're 2 gig sticks, so it's 4 gigs total. Pretty good RAM. Pretty good. And right here is the what I've been waiting for a long time, the Crosshair 2 formula. Pretty nice motherboard. It's got the NVIDIA S80 780 chipset. You can see there the Republic of Gamers logo there. It comes with a Supreme FX 2 card. Yeah, it's really good motherboard for the price. I got it for 140 bucks. So if you guys are listening and they still have it at Newegg, I would jump on it, because this you can get a Phenom 2 X6 CPU on here, so it's pretty cool. They actually discontinued it for I think for a couple months, and they brought it back brand new. This is not recertified, it's brand new. So I'm really psyched about using this. Out of the box, it does Phenom 2 X6 apparently, but I got a 9850 just to play it safe. Later on, I can get a better 6-core AMD when they come out with better ones. So yeah, they give you 10% off 5 games with coupon inside. Hooray! But yeah, it's a pretty cool. It's got pin fin thermal design. It's really cool looking. Sound card, everything. So I'm gonna leave it off here. Guys, thanks for watching. Next video you'll be seeing will be all the Danger Den stuff that came in. So leave it off there. Bye, guys.